5 iPhone settings you must turn off now. They're silently killing your battery. So these are the settings. First, every time you open an app, it automatically uploads its data to the cloud. That's not always necessary and it drains both your battery and your internet. So what's the solution? You need to open up your settings. From settings, you need to go with your name, and from there you need to scroll down, go with iCloud, and then go with manage storage. Turn off the apps that don't need to save their data to iCloud. Second solution is automatic updates, the hidden battery killer. Imagine your phone keeps connecting to the internet every now and then to check for app and system updates without your permission. That wastes power and data too. So the solution is open up your settings and then scroll down and go with apps. Under apps, you need to scroll down, go with App Store. Once you tap on App Store, you'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go with automatic updates. Under your automatic updates, you need to turn off app downloads and app updates and in-app content. Also, go to settings, and from here you need to go with general. Under general, you need to go with software update, and if you have any software updates, just simply go and update it. Or you can just simply go and turn off your automatic updates. After turning off, it will turn off your battery usage. The third setting is active widgets on your screen. Widgets look nice, but each one of them uses battery powers to fetch live data like weather or stock updates. So the solution is you need to long press your widget and then you will find an option of remove widget. Just simply go and tap on remove. After removing, you can keep only the ones that you actually use. Fourth one is enable low power mode. This feature temporarily limits background activity and significantly extends your battery life. If you want to enable it, you can go with your control center and then turn on your low power mode, or you can also go with your settings and from there you'll be able to turn it on. Fifth one is monitor your battery usage. The system shows you a detailed report on how much power each app consumes. How to check these settings? For that, you need to open up your settings and then just scroll down a bit and you'll find an option of battery. Tap on battery and then go with battery activity. You'll see a graph and screen time for each app. If you find an app using too much power like TikTok or Facebook, try limiting its usage or turning off its notifications. After these steps, your battery will never be the same again. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.